1980 XS1100 Yamaha that we've torn apart. We're doing some safety requirements on this bike. We did the rear tire, front tire, put brand new Continentals on it. We're tearing apart the front neck bearings and triple trees and putting new bearings in so we can get all this certified. The carburetors have been removed to get cleaned out. And they're on the table over there. So those will be torn apart. And oh, great! News flash: they've already been torn apart and put back together. So we'll go through various inspection stuff, and this will make sure everything's up to snuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.